Apple's next big thing is on the horizon, and leaks are giving us an exciting sneak peek into the iPhone 17 series. Expected to be unveiled in September, the lineup appears to bring a major transformation beyond the usual incremental upgrades. Fresh CAD renders have surfaced, revealing a bold new approach with 4 distinct models: the standard iPhone 17, the ultra-slim iPhone 17 Air, the powerhouse iPhone 17 Pro, and the feature-packed iPhone 17 Pro Max. If these leaks are accurate, Apple is making some of the biggest design and technology shifts in years. A new era for iPhones? When early leaks started surfacing, many were skeptical, but as more credible sources confirmed similar details, it became evident that Apple might be on the verge of a major shakeup. Over the past few weeks, prominent Apple insiders have been revealing renders that suggest significant design changes. Just last week, we got our first detailed look at the redesigned iPhone 17 series, followed by an in-depth showcase of the iPhone 17 Air and iPhone 17 Pro models. These revelations indicate that Apple is pushing video quality to new levels while making an unexpected shift away from titanium for its premium models. Adding fuel to the fire, renowned insider Sonny Dixon recently shared new CAD renders that provide the clearest front-view images of these devices. Could this be the final look of the iPhone 17 Pro Max? While nothing is set in stone, these leaks paint a compelling picture of what Apple may be planning for its most premium smartphone yet. Design overhaul, a new standard in premium aesthetics. If the leaks hold true, the iPhone 17 Pro Max could be Apple's most visually stunning iPhone to date. The device is rumored to feature a sleek aluminum back panel with a refined glass finish. The familiar triple camera setup remains, but is reportedly being repositioned slightly, with the LED flash and ultra-wide sensor shifting to the right. This design tweak aims to improve photography performance while maintaining a clean, premium aesthetic. One of the biggest surprises is the introduction of the iPhone 17 Air, replacing the iPhone 16 Plus. This model is expected to be Apple's thinnest iPhone ever, featuring a futuristic camera bar design. However, it appears Apple is making sacrifices in the name of sleekness, removing the secondary rear camera. Meanwhile, the Pro models are rumored to sport larger, more prominent camera modules that span almost the entire width of the phone, adding to their professional-grade look. Specifications: performance like never before. Apple's flagship iPhone 17 Pro Max is set to deliver top-tier performance, thanks to cutting-edge hardware. According to leaks, it will feature display, a 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion technology, offering ultra-smooth visuals and an improved anti-reflective coating for enhanced outdoor visibility. Processor: powered by the all-new A19 Pro chipset, the device is expected to be Apple's fastest and most efficient iPhone yet. RAM and storage: up to 12 gigabytes of RAM paired with high-speed storage options, ensuring a seamless experience for Apple Intelligence features and high-performance apps. Software: running on iOS 19, the iPhone 17 series will introduce new AI-driven enhancements aimed at making user interactions smarter and more intuitive. Camera system: pushing smartphone photography to the next level. Photography enthusiasts are in for a treat. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is rumored to feature an advanced 48MP triple-lens camera system, promising groundbreaking improvements in mobile photography. Additionally, Apple is reportedly upgrading the front camera to a 24MP sensor, making self-portraits sharper and more detailed than ever before. With Apple constantly refining its camera software, we can expect cutting-edge computational photography features, improved low-light performance, and next-generation optical zoom capabilities that could rival dedicated cameras. Price and launch timeline: what to expect? Apple is expected to unveil the iPhone 17 Pro Max alongside the rest of the lineup in September. While the company remains tight-lipped about exact pricing, leaks suggest that the iPhone 17 Pro Max will likely retain its predecessor's price tag of $1,199, 144,000 Indian rupees in India. However, Apple has been known to make last-minute changes, so there could still be some surprises in store. Final thoughts: a revolutionary upgrade. With just a few months to go before the official reveal, anticipation is reaching an all-time high. Will the iPhone 17 series redefine Apple's design philosophy? Will the Air model set a new benchmark for ultra-thin smartphones? Most importantly, what game-changing features has Apple kept under wraps? The wait won't be long. And if these leaks are anything to go by, the iPhone 17 lineup is shaping up to be Apple's most exciting release in years. Stay tuned to Technology Review for more updates.